Hello, happy Manga Monday. Welcome to my channel. My name is Laura and today we're going to be talking about figures instead of manga. Yes, I have my twinsy right here, so if you happen to be brand new, make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment down below. In today's video, I'm going to be talking specifically about figures, where to buy them, what sites I have tried. So yeah, and I'm going to show you some of my recent additions. So I'm very excited. I just got into collecting figures and I'm gonna say, as a newbie, it can be very intimidating because there's so many websites. There's also a lot of bootlegs out there. So it can get a little bit difficult trying to navigate that, that world. But there are a lot of channels dedicated to figure collecting. You definitely don't have to go as big as some of these channels. I mean, some of them have dedicated rooms. I don't. So I'm just collecting what I really want. I don't know if you can see in the background, you probably can, but in terms of Sailor Moon, which is obviously my favorite and like the bulk of my anime manga collection, I do try to be more picky about what I want to collect. So instead of collecting everyone, and as much as I would want to collect everyone, I just don't have the space. My collection is mainly Mercury and Saturn. I do have some Sailor Moon because obviously Sailor Moon is the main character, but I do try to be more selective. Let's start with this guy. So this is a price figure. There's also many other types of figures. I'm not going to go into detail about them. I'm just going to talk about what I purchased recently and where I bought it from. So this is my little Sailor Mercury price figure. This came out in 2015, I believe, 14. So it's been a few years since this came out. I have seen people trying to resell this figure in the US on Mercari or eBay, and they always hike the price up. So what I did to save money was buy it directly from Japan. So I went on mandarake.co.jp. I'll leave the link down below. It's a huge marketplace. In Japan, they actually have physical stores. If you live outside of Japan, you can purchase from their website. It's a little intimidating. They do have an English site, which is helpful, but there's a lot. There's a lot. So you can buy figures, you can buy cosplay outfits, pretty much anything you can think of, you can buy it there. And some of the stuff is new, some of it's pre-owned, but when you buy stuff that's pre-owned from, I found from like any Japanese store, they're very picky about what they accept. So everything is in good quality. If there's anything wrong with the figure, they'll put it in the description so you know exactly what you're going to get. So yeah, I got it for 30 something. So pretty much almost retail price, which was good. And the shipping took, I mean, just like 4 days from Mandarake. It is a little bit higher just because you are limited in the shipping method. You can only do DHL, but they'll let you know how much it is, so everything is calculated there. And yeah, I got it from Mandarake. I really liked it. I'm definitely going to be ordering from them again. So I picked up this Sailor Mercury from Mandarake, and also this little Homura Kemi from Madoka Magica. She was around 2,300 yen or somewhere like that, like 20 something dollars. So a little bit below retail price, which was good. She was listed as pre-owned as well, but this has absolutely no scratches, no signs of wear and tear. So if I didn't know it was pre-owned, I would have assumed it was brand new because, I mean, with both of these, they have absolutely nothing. No scratch marks, nothing. It's incredible. So yeah, I also ordered her from Mandarake, and yeah, with both of these, I mean, I got them for around 60 with shipping. So no, I think it was almost 70 with shipping. So not that bad, especially considering that a lot of the resellers here in the US are selling this girl right here for like $70–80. So I thought it was a good deal. The thing with Mandarake is if you search anything, you will get explicit items. They'll just be marked up 18+, but you can filter that out. That's something I do want to mention. You can filter that out and just, it'll make navigating so much easier. Another website that you can use to buy pre-owned items and save some money if you want to start collecting figures. You have to be a little bit more selective, but I do think it's a good tool. Let's talk about Mercari once again. So I picked up my very first Nendoroid through Mercari US, and I am so happy. First of all, let's look at her. She's a little Sakura Kinemoto from Cardcaptor Sakura, and she looks adorable. I've been wanting a Nendoroid for the longest time. These little suckers are quite expensive depending on which one you get, and especially if they're brand new. Brand new, direct from a Good Smile like distributor. It can cost you anywhere around $50 to $80 depending on what character you're buying and what type of accessories they have. If it's a very simple character, I've noticed those go for around 50 something, but if they have a lot of like very small intricate like accessory pieces, those can go and be priced a little bit higher. If you want to buy brand new from a US or from wherever you live, do go check the Good Smile website because they have it all listed there, all their partners from different countries. So they make it very easy to find places where you would buy legit Nendoroids, because there's a ton of bootlegs out there on eBay, on Wish and AliExpress, and even some fakes on Mercari as well. But the good thing about Mercari, and this goes for eBay as well, is if you want to have the seller take more pictures, definitely ask them. There's a very easy like direct message feature on Mercari, but the seller that I purchased her from, I mean, he had real like real images of what he was trying to sell, so he advertised that the box was a little bit ripped, which was fine with me. I mean, I really don't care about the box too much. And as for the figure itself, I mean, she's in great quality. There's no scratches, no paint issues, nothing like that. And yeah, I was really happy. I got her for 70 something, so could have been a lot worse. I have seen a lot of people on eBay try to sell any card captor that Nendoroid for over $200, so I feel like I lucked out. I did send in an offer, so I got it a little bit below what he was originally asking for. So that's another thing you can take advantage of with Mercari. You can submit offers, and it'll be up to the seller if they want to accept, decline, or present you with a counter offer. So I would highly recommend checking out Mercari. If you do see sellers trying to upload, you know, the original images from the Good Smile website, do ask them if they can take an actual picture of what they're trying to sell, because that will help you out. A lot of the people selling bootlegs will just advertise the real thing and then send you a piece of shit. So be careful. But I did really like my experience. I am still tracking the Nendoroid, like the little tag on Mercari, just to see what else is out there. Some people, like I said, do try to resell their stuff much higher than original price, but you know, you just have to play the waiting game when it comes to reselling websites. If you want to buy brand new, Crunchyroll's store is super easy and they ship out quite quickly as well. I recently got this little Miku and she is adorable. I mean, this is also what would be considered a price figure, so it's a very affordable figure. There's not a ton of detail, but to me, I mean, this is a price figure and it has so much intricate detail. So I think price figures are great, especially if you don't want to be spending $200–300 on a single figure. So I really like them. I like the look, I like the variety and the colors and everything. So she was around 30 something, brand new from Crunchyroll. Crunchyroll has a lot of figures as well. They have Nendoroids, and you can do pre-sales, you can just buy brand new figures. So everything's gonna be legit. Everything ships out from the US, so it's a very accessible store. This is a brand new, well, a newish figure from Miku. There's a ton of Mikus. I mean, a ton, but she caught my eye. I really liked her outfit, so I had to get her. And another brand new figure that I got, and this I bought through Amazon Japan, is the Sailor Moon Eternal. And this will be sold in the US. I know some websites were doing pre-sales, a lot of them sold out, but they will be getting more stock in. So I got her through Amazon Japan. It took 3 days to ship from Japan to the US. Once again, DHL is the only option that was presented through Amazon Japan, but it wasn't that bad considering that it's coming from Japan to California. I feel like the shipping it's reasonable. It's reasonable, and everything's packed so carefully. I was just blown away. And yeah, I got her for, I mean, just retail price. I know some people here in the US have been pricing her pretty high as well, like $50–$60, especially on eBay and Mercari, but I got her for $30, which is what she's worth. So I was super happy. This is also what's considered a price figure, but dang, this is such a nice price figure. I feel like they've come a really long way, and the paint job is beautiful. This is a big figure as well. Let me bring Miku. So she's a big girl. So I really liked my experience with Amazon Japan. I don't know, I would be a lot more careful with Amazon US. I feel like a lot of bootlegs do slip in through the cracks through Amazon US, but Amazon Japan seems to be a lot more, once again, I feel like they're a little stricter in what can be sold there. You do have to make a brand new account through Amazon Japan, but you can browse it just as you would regular Amazon. Everything is in English. When you do the searching, if you just have shipped to the US, you'll see the sellers that do ship to the US. If for some reason you do end up with a listing that doesn't specify that, it'll let you know if they don't ship. So they make it very easy. The conversion rate's also very easy as well. So I really enjoyed it, and I occasionally browse it to see if I can find anything else. But yeah, this one was such a great find, and I got her so quickly. I know a lot of my friends here in the US who did the American pre-orders are still waiting for her. I bought the Super Sailor Moon that I'm still waiting on. I did the pre-sale for that, but it's been delayed. So I think I'm gonna just stick to purchasing directly from Japan from now on, because yeah, I don't want to be waiting too much. So now, if you don't want to go through that hassle and you don't want to be spending $30, although that's definitely in the more affordable range for it when it comes to figures, and you want to do something cheaper like AliExpress, Wish, if you want to go that route, I would actually stick to acrylic stands. I feel like they do them quite well. So these guys are from AliExpress. They're super cute, as you can see. And the prints actually are very nice quality. I thought it was gonna be a little bit fuzzy, or I don't know, I thought it was gonna be fuzzy or pixelated, but these guys are super cute. They were about $7 each. So these guys have the chibi style illustrations from the manga, and here we have Sailor Moon. I thought they were really cute and priced well. And then I also picked up this guy. This was not as good as these. I feel like the stand is a little bit loose, but I haven't seen this sold like officially. But I mean, you can tell this is bootleg because it says Sailor Moon Crystal and all of the characters are from the anime, so yes. Also, let's talk about print quality, because like I said, this one is so nice and crisp. It's not fuzzy, it's not pixelated. This one does look like a bootleg. I still like it because I haven't seen anything like this with literally everyone, but you can see the quality is a little bit more, it's not the best. So that's the back side. This is the front side. So yes, and I just noticed that tuxedo mask. Where's his hand? He's just kind of weird up here. But yeah, I mean, yeah, like I said, it's not the best. This was around $5, so you get what you pay for. If you want to see what an officially licensed acrylic stand will look like, this I purchased through Pikadude. So he has a shop on Mercari. He ships stuff from Japan. And this is a little Tomoyo from Cardcaptor Sakura. So this is official from Japan. It is not a bootleg. So this is what an official acrylic stand will look like. You have the print. It's not fuzzy, it's not pixelated. The back doesn't have anything. So in terms of quality, these guys are pretty up to par, I would say. Now I have ordered some more figures from Solaris Japan. That's another website that you can use to buy new and pre-owned figures. I'm still waiting for that. They actually did not give me DHL as an option. They gave me Japan Post. So we'll see. It's taking a little bit longer, but I did purchase 3 more Nendoroids through that website, and each of them were like 30 bucks each. So I got a little bit of a deal. All Madoka Magica figures. I got Homura Kemi again, I got Madoka, I got Mami as well. So we'll see when that arrives, hopefully soon. But yeah, those are some of the places that I tend to use for figures. Like I said, when you're starting your collection, it's very easy to get overwhelmed and just want to buy everything. So I would try to be more selective. That would be one of my tips. Second tip is if you want to avoid getting ripped off, especially on the reselling platforms such as eBay or Mercari, and you do see the seller uploading pictures that clearly do not belong to him or her, you can just ask them to, you know, take a picture of the actual item just to see how it looks like. If you live outside of Japan, you do have access to plenty of Japanese stores that do ship to the US and other countries. I will be linking them down below, but there's also a ton of American retailers. There is Crunchyroll, like I mentioned. Funimation also has their own online shop. Big Bad Toy Store. There's Kusuguru as well that I've done a pre-sale. I'm still waiting for my items because they're delayed. What other website? Entertainment World? Entertainment something. I will link them down below, but yes. These are some of my figures. I really like them and I'm gonna keep collecting some figures, not everything. I can't go too crazy. If you want to see more unboxings and see the figures as they arrive, make sure to follow me on TikTok. That's where I post my little hauls and stuff. But yeah, this is so cute. So let me know what your favorite shops are in the comments below. If you have any questions about collecting figures, where to shop, let me know in the comments below as well. If you happen to be brand new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Click the bottom button to subscribe, give this video a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. We're almost wrapping up the month of March. I've been trying my best to read as much manga as possible. I'm also waiting for pre-sales that I did that are delayed as well. I wanted to do a monthly manga haul, but I'm still waiting on those guys to arrive, so hopefully I get them before the end of the month. We'll see. Right Stuff. That's the last time I pre-order from them. Still love you though. But yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!